Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Precious Osage. So in today's video, I want to bash cook. Not really bash cook, not like I want to cook a lot of food. I just want to make soup and stew. I want to make vegetables soup, and I also want to make stew. So first thing first, I know you're wondering what I have here. This has been on my wish list since like ever, and I'm super excited about it, and I want to unbox it to you guys. So yeah, that's why I just bought this lovely box to unbox with you guys. I'm super excited. But before we start cooking and doing the rest, let's just try and unbox this because I need to use this to make what I want to cook. So yeah, let me just open it. Before I open it, let me know in the comment section, what do you think I have here? What do you think I have here? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section. How will I bring this one out? Oh my god. I would have done this unboxing when my hubby was around. This is definitely too big. Pew! Wow, guys. Super excited. You will know you are an adult when you start being excited for just kitchen gadgets. That's when you know you are becoming an adult. Oh god, this has been on my wish list is like ever. The Ninja 11-in-1 pressure pot. Oh my god. Woo. Being gently just in case I want to, it's not working properly and I want to return it. So woo. Wow. This is a pressure pot, Ninja Foodi 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker pressure pot, guys. This is it. It does so many things. 11-in-1. It has so many things that you can use it to bake. You can use it to air fry. I got it mostly because of the pressure cooker. That's why I got it. Like god, I'm super excited about this gadget. Oh my god. So I just bought out the meat that I'm going to use to cook, so it should be defrozen. I forgot to bring it out since, and I wish I knew that I bought it out. But I have to read these because I want to make use of the pressure pot to you for the meat. I have to read it, then know what to do. Yeah, this is pressure pot. I have to be careful, so I have to read and understand it properly before I can know what to. I wanted to get the 15-in-1, but I was seeing the review, like people were saying, and that one was a little bit more expensive. People was like, if it's almost the same thing, this one is also just two things that was added. But why I wanted to get that one, because that one was bigger, but I think this would do. That one would be too big. This will do. So yeah, and I got it in the spring stage. That's why I'm super excited. I got it so cheap. So let me just go through it and see. This one comes with the air fryer, and this one you can just cook multiple food. You can boil rice, you can whatever you want to cook, you can use this to cook it, which is super amazing and super good. Yeah, so let me just go through it, then when I want to put the meat on the fire, we'll be right back. So yeah, this is the main work. I have to slice this vegetable now, because this is the most difficult thing. But before I slice this, then it's hardly to see ugu and the rest here. So for this vegetable, I'm going to be using spinach to make it. So yeah, as in, I don't know why I didn't defrost this meat since. Like before it would defrost. Let me. I don't know, what do I do first. So this is it. This is how the inside look like. The other pressure pot used to come with the 2 lid, but this one just came with one. That's why this one is smart lid pressure pot. Yeah, 11 in 1. If you know that you have a large family, I will advise you go for a bigger liter, because this one is quite small. Air fryer. This is the steam air fryer pressure pot. The pressure. But I want it high. I need it to be high. So high. Then how many minutes? 10 minutes. Then you press start. When it's done, it's going to indicate that it is ready. So we'll just start now. Okay. Yeah, it's working now. This it shows that it's cooking, or it's doing what is doing its thing. So I'm just going to leave it here and try and do other things. Anytime I'm filming, like I give the whole day to filming and cooking, because see now, if I'll do this and do that and still try to adjust the angle of this camera. Okay, let me do this now. Time to slice the leaf.